Alright, so about 45 minutes into the job. Doing okay so far. Oil pan is removed, and the source of our leak has become apparent. So here's the gasket, and that is not the problem. The problem is an area of the pan itself is broken and distorted. It's no longer on a flat. So right here in this area, I'm going to take a hammer and attempt to make this a smooth, flat surface again. And for extra assurance, I'll add additional RTV sealant there. Go back together with a new gasket, fresh oil, and filter. And at least that part of our troubles will be taken care of.